Hey everybody, what's up? It's just another Kayla's Curls video. And I know you guys are probably gonna ask, yes, I dyed my hair. It is a different color, but I'm not really here to show my hair color. I kind of want to just show you guys the cute little garden here at this park that we have. Such a lovely park. They even give away like food, like planted food, like like cilantro, thyme, lettuce, spinach, all that fun stuff that you can garden in your backyard. But let me go ahead and show you guys. Me and my kids are just out. We're just on a little stroll for the day, just enjoying the weather before it rains, because it's supposed to rain. But let's go ahead and show you guys from the entrance. If you guys haven't noticed already, I love gardens. I love nature. I love planting. I even have a few plants myself at home. All right, so this is the entrance, Rita May Way. Such a beautiful garden. They have a small little garden over here. We'll get closer over there, but I'll show over here first. So here's this little patch of garden here with leaves and like little bushes and stuff like that.
Take a picture of me.
It's not a picture, it's a video.
Oh, take me a picture.
Alright, so there's lots of plants here. Look at those beautiful flowers. So gorgeous, so beautiful. Just stunning to walk around and look at. Just enjoying the real raw nature.
I just found this.
Beautiful. They have a little rock statue kind of going on over there with the tall grass leaves. So beautiful. And then over here is where I really love it. Like I said, they have a little thing going on where people can come in and pick food if they see something they like. Here it is. This is the little sign where they said you can go ahead and pick whatever you want from here.
Come on.
Yep, some people don't like to pick up after the dogs. But yeah, so it does have, they have a lot of plants here, a lot of vegetable stuff here. Here you can see they have rosemary and bay leaves, which is no bay leaves, I guess someone helped themselves. And some more plants around just to make it look beautiful, I guess. Basil. There's basil leaves here. It's a very beautiful garden. Tarragon, savory. So beautiful. And I just love how they labeled everything. Mint leaves, fresh mint leaves, thyme, lemon. Beautiful. Just stunning. Let's look at it with the sunflowers. And I love that it has all the names of every plant, so you can learn about all the plants here. Learn about everything you can plant. Cilantro, oregano. Some more of these flowers. I don't know if these are sunflowers. They look a little bit darker to be sunflowers. Dill. So many beautiful foods that you can plant in the ground they have here. Beautiful. Very nice. And it's like a little rectangle with all the plants. Very pretty. So yeah, just a beautiful little garden where you can come and sit. I'll show you guys in the other part of the park. Like I said, this is like a park. Some more stuff planted here. And I love that they have signs to pick up after your pets, because some people are nasty. They don't clean up after they dog. This is the vegetable garden. Very nice. And in here they have more vegetables planting, but unfortunately it is locked, so I can't really go in to go and show y'all. But yeah, they have lots of stuff planting. They have spinach, they have cilantro, they have, I believe they have purple spinach and stuff, purple sage, lettuce and stuff, cabbage. A lot of beautiful plants here. But yeah, that's the vegetable garden. yeah, I just love how clean it is here. They have lots of signs here for you to be able to know which plant is which, what vegetable is which, just in case you're not familiar with planting. This is a nice park. It's just good to walk around and just get out and see different spots. My headphones are falling. But yeah, today is Wednesday, so I'm gonna upload this today. I did not upload yesterday. I just need to get my groove back again. Just focus on me, you know. Sometimes you need a break from the world, and yeah. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and show you guys the rest before I end this little mini, kind of just a little vlog. But here's the other side of this little patch of garden. But here is the other part that I showed you in the beginning. Look, very nice little garden. Lots of little...
Mom, these are called tulips.
Oh yeah, my son loves plants as well. My kids love getting out and seeing nature. We love it. Those are tulips.
Tulips.
Sure. There's a little bird fountain for birds to go drink water and bathe. See, that's where birds go, guys. Don't break that, please. Please be respectful of the garden. Very nice.
Mom, come here. Come up here, Mom. Come here. Go to the side.
All right, well, I'm just gonna look here, but I'm not stepping in the garden because we want to be respectful. These are living organisms. But this is just part of the garden. There is a little entranceway where they have little pots of plants.
I want to show the other part.
You want to go show them those plants? Okay, let's go. Come on, lead the way. Well, aren't you gonna tell them? You have to tell them where you're taking them.
Okay, these ones are called...
No, I mean the ones over there. We already showed them these, remember?
Okay.
Let's go show them that little park over there. Come on, Kayla, we gonna help out?
Okay. I want to show you. These plants are called...
No, this is someone's backyard. Come on. So here they have little squares of plants and more planted stuff.
Buddy?
I don't know if these are called carnations or what, but
They're
these are
called-
beautiful.
Here. Okay, let me show you the other. This one. Look, I'm showing you these ones. Follow me. Now you're leading the way?
Yeah, I'm leading the way. It's a nice little park. They even have a little sitting area with rocks right there. Enjoy the sun. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful little garden. So yeah, that's pretty much it about this park, guys. I am gonna end it, but just wanted to pop in, just bring a video for today since I didn't upload on Tuesday. That's all. I just wanted to show you guys this garden. I thought it was super cute. Such a nice little garden to visit. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like I said, I just wanted to pop in and give you guys a little update on where I've been. Today is Wednesday, so you guys will see the video go up on my channel. So yeah.